Today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate to your HOSTAFRICA client area. Then click on where it says Hi and your name. And then click on Security Settings. On the Security Settings page, underneath Two-Factor Authentication, click here to enable. It's going to give you some information about the process. Click on Get Started. You'll have to scan this QR code into your app, and it will then generate a numerical code for you. When you receive the code, you can punch it in. It will also generate the backup code. This is in case you have a device failure or for whatever reason you cannot access your authentication app. This code may be used to get you back into your client area to either disable or redo the process. So keep that in a safe place. And there we go. It's been enabled. To disable is very simple. Once again, click on this button. It says click here to disable, and it's going to ask you for your client area password. Type it in. That's it. Two-factor authentication has now been disabled. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe icons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting!